There. How are you feeling?
Good.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
I'm fine. I'm really fine. Are you fine? Oh, are you fine? How are... Ano ba?
Shit.
Ganito, makinig ka. Di ba yung sa yung kanina?
Oh, sorry.
Kala namin na nanaginip lang kami.
Chino.
Yung alarm ko. Kasi di ba super soft ng alarm
Bro, it's
ko.
like a flipping doorbell. I'm like, girl, what the heck is that? I was like, wala namang
Hindi ko
doorbell
kasi-
sa room ko. I'm like, girl.
Hindi ko kasi sinet. Hindi ko sinet yung ibang parang nag-automatic na lang siya na yun yung
Yun na, hindi ko siya
alarm.
pinapansin.
Tapos ako nga din, sabi ko, ano yan? Anong tunog yan sa panaginip ko? Yung parang yung half gising ka tapos half hindi. Pero nairinig mo.
Yeah.
Panaginip ba to? Tapos parang naalala ko, shit, alarm ko. Nag-alarm pala ako. Tapos pag kanon ko bigla, yung alarm ko. Tayo ako. Nagising ka na ba nun?
Yeah.
Pagtayo ko.
No, I woke up because I realized na hindi siya panaginip.
Oo. Kapani talaga.
But you know what's so funny?
Ano?
Because, like, 3 a.m., you're so funny. You know, diba, bro, the comforter, it was
Hindi kasi
like,
sa isang bed, anong size yun? Queen
like
ba yun?
single lang.
Single lang?
Yeah, single lang.
Single lang kasi tatlo kami. Nag-lock kasi
Twin
si Kuya Sean.
ko lang.
So, pag ganun siya. So, ang higa namin, di ba ganun? Ang imbis na isang dalawang ganun. Yung amin landscape, kaming tatlo. So, hindi talaga, mahaba yung paa.
Yeah. And then, diba comforter? So, isang comforter for 3 of us, right? And then, bro, this girl, I woke up. I don't know why I woke up. Pero this girl, I saw her. Imbes na like, kunan niya muna sa akin yung comforter and then leave and then ibalik yung comforter. Bro, sumiksik sa ilalim and then nagganon. Like, I started laughing because
Ang hirap kaya kasi gaganon ko sana. Pero parang naiipit nyo ni Simon so hindi ko siya ma-lift. So, ang ginawa ko, udi. Ginawa ko tapos,
Bro, that was so funny.
ganun talaga yung ginawa ko kanina. Tapos nagising ka pala, dahan-dahan pa naman ako para
I
di kayo
woke up.
Gising.
Gising na ako nun.
Ayun, tapos para tawanan mo
Yeah.
kalawsi. Sama mo.
Bro, you know, parang love na love mo yung phone mo. Because I woke up, nakahug yung phone. Like,
Weh?
yeah, like this.
Ako?
Yeah, I was like, ooh,
Kailan?
okay, down.
Bago ako mag-charge.
Kanina, yeah.
What?
I'm like, girl, okay. She
Baka
loves...
naginip ako. Namiss ko si Barry, yung kakapag kong Barry.
Aww. I brought mine.
Wait, pwede ba yung dog sa plane? Bawal. Pwede.
There's like documents. Yeah. I'm so pissed about my
Oh
mind.
my gosh, guys. This is my ulit, sakay sa plane. Kailan ba ko last nakasakay? 2018. 18 or 17? Yeah. Nung ako lang nun mag-isa. Diba? Tapang ko, di ba?
I fly alone every time now.
Oh my gosh, ano rin kami nila, yung kami lang dalawa nag-plane.
Yeah.
As in, bata pa kami, elementary. Grade 5 ako noon siya, grade 3. Tapos, meron man nag-assist sa amin ng mga, ano tawag doon? Yung mga babae.
So scary.
Flight attendant, yung mga flight attendant. Meron kaming nakilala doon. Binigyan na kami ng M&M, so, di ba? Binigyan kami. Ang bait nun. Tapos pagbaba namin, nandun na si tatay nakabang. Yan kay, favorite ko yun. Favorite scene. Kasi nung kinakabahan kami ni Ella, kay kami lang dalawa. Kasi di ba, pagbaba mo ng plane, meron ka pang papasokan na airport pa, kay malaki, di ba, sa Manila. Pagbaba namin, nandun si tatay naka-uniform, nakasilip doon. Kay pinalast kami ng flight attendant kay priority, kaya si bata.
Oh, that's so cute. That's cute.
Hindi lang siya driver sa plane, driver din siya sa amin.
Bro, I'm so flipping. Bro, this is like my first time ever like riding a plane with Ina.
Yes, me too.
Like traveling in general with you. I think the first time I traveled with you was in the club.
Ay,
Na chika na.
Kaso land trip lang yun.
Yeah, it was like an 8-hour ride. Oh my days. during that time, like first 30 minutes we were talking, and then the next few hours we were sleeping. I was freezing. I remember freezing.
Sa ano?
Sa car. Don't you remember yung van? Sobrang lamig.
Alala ko yung van, pero hindi ko maalala na sobrang lamig.
Talaga?
Yeah.
I
Baka
remember
mahimbing yung tulog ko.
It was really, really cold.
Hindi, kasi ito rin, di ba, daldal kami ng daldal ni Cerise. Pagdating sa middle ng pag-drive ng mga after 30 minutes, sabi lang niya, di ba, daldal siya ng daldal. Tapos, bigla niyang siningit, okay, matutulog na ako, nahihilo na ako. Tapos biglang gumanon. Sabi ko, okay.
Sa part na talaga there, I get hilo. Like, that's...
Ganun din.
Kanina nga, I got hilo also. I was like, oh my days, ang tagal.
Kaya nga, ewan ko, depende rin kasi yan sa driver. Kay
Nahilo
amang...
ka ba?
Hindi. Kay amang kasi sanay ako, so... Parang nasanay na ka namang sa kanyang driving ko. Pero hindi man daw si amang nakakahilo mag-drive, sabi ng...
Kahit kanina, I'm still hilo.
Mahiluin ka talaga. Parang kayo ni Ikay.
So tagal, what time is it? I forgot my watch too.
Me too! 7:48. Excited. Nakuha ko lang to sa claw machine na panalunan ko.
Oh, that's so cute. Isn't that your parang good luck charm?
Oo, yung sinasabi ko.
Like a lucky charm.
Lucky charm siya kasi nakuha ko sa claw machine. Minsan lang ako makakuha ng sa claw machine. Meron din ako yung isa pa kasong laki nun. Ganun. Guys, oh my gosh. 1 hour lang yung sleep namin. Hindi kami makatulog.
Yeah, I kept waking up.
Me too.
And I kept farting too.
As in, alam mo ba, nanonood kami ng vlog ni Erica ha. Tapos, bigla siyang, kasi siya may hawak ng laptop, nag-change siya ng position, gano'n. Pagka niya nakaamoy ako ng fart, sabi ko, umutot ka, Simon. Sabi Simon, hindi ako umutot. Umutot ka, Simon. Sabi, hindi daw siya umutot. Tapos, lumingon ako sa kanya, tawa ng tawa. Tapos, tinatopic namin kagabi yung si Annabelle. Guys,
oh yeah.
ina-count niyo ba si Annabelle?
My days, you know what's so funny? Because we ended the conversation night and then we opened the conversation morning, and every time napuputol yung conversation, I think it's a sign for us to not talk about her.
Yung rhinitis ko, di pa naubos.
Oh my days. Alam mo, kaninang morning, Ina was like breathing so loud, parang hihigupin ako like this. sa natutulog.
Ang hirap kaya kasi isang nose lang yung gumagana pag breathe.
Natutulog siya, tapos sabi na parang hihigupin ako. I'm like, girl, hindi siya nagsasnore pero sobrang lakas ng paghinga.
Ganyan, di ba, pag masarap na yung tulog, tapos meron pa ako rhinitis.
Parang naghihigup lang sa phone niya. Hindi, wow. Oh my days.
Ano? Saan yan?
Bag ko. I forgot.
Saan ang galing?
Di ba kanina I was looking for them?
Uy, patay kang bata. Ang pangit ni Cherise, guys. Pangit si Cherise. Pangit si Cherise. Dala-dala pa siya ng stuffed toy.
Stop.
Dala-dala mo yung stuffed toy.
What time is it?
7:54 lang. 30 minutes na lang, no? 35 minutes. Hindi, kay 8:55. Tapos magbo-boarding pa man.
Do you think it's fully booked?
Ang plane? I think so.
Really?
Yeah, because it's summer, babe.
Oh my days, I'm so excited to go to Bora. Oh, look at
Bora lang.
Look at the weather. Oh,
Weather.
magandang umaga ngayon. I can't do that. Yung
Ano?
sa maganda, like the record, like a news anchor. Bro, kanina I was like, Simon.
Oo, sabi niya, Simon.
Ang funny, ang swerte. Nagulat din si Simon.
Lakas ng boses. Hindi kasi naka-video yun, di ba?
Yeah, I think so.
So, yeah. Simon!
Bro, nagulat siya. It's so fun.
Ako may mood yung pagtawag ko kay Charisse.
What?
Kung may mood ako, Charisse. Pero kung wala, Charisse!
Simon. Oh my days, look at the weather. It looks good, right?
Oh my jinx!
But yeah, knock on wood.
Oh my jinx!
Guys, it's June 1 today and we are going to... Wala pa.
Apurado.
We're going to Cebu. Why?
Because trip lang namin.
Damn, okay.
Oh my gosh, kung nagtataka kayo, wala, nagiging
Bro, I've been doing that since kanina pa.
kung nagtataka kayo, kasi, kung paano nangyari to, na trip na to, ganito, last year, like June last year, nag-sleep over kami sa kanila. Kaming tatlo lang muna, wala nun si Ikay, di ba? Kasi may pasok pa.
I think so, yeah.
Tapos, sabi, uy, punta tayo ng Boracay. Sige. So, aming budget is 10K, di ba? Ang maximum.
Yeah.
Yung minimum 10K. Okay? Tapos, after ilang months, after ilang months, kinancel namin kasi, syempre, kulang budget kasi, talaga, paano kami makaipon na student pa lang kami, wala pa akong baon ng masyado.
No, but because during that time, it was like parang, what do you call this? It was like, biglaan also. So we didn't have enough time to actually, like, parang in jokingly way lang natin sinabi na like, we're going to
Yes. Tapos, yun na. So, wala na. Hindi na namin inisip. Pagdating ng January 4, kasi nag-celebrate kami sa birthday ni nanay. So, nag-ipon-ipon kami. Itong babaeng to. Ito talaga. Sabi niya dun, uy, ina, pupunta tayo sa Boracay, ah. Desisyon ka, te. Desisyon ka? Tapos sabi niya, si mami magbabayad, okay na, sinabihan ko na may video ako. Ha? Video? Si mami magbabayad ng hotel. Tapos ganun.
During that time, it was just the hotel. Sabi niya, sige, I'll like pay for the hotel. I was like, sige na, pati plane tickets na lang.
Si mami din
Plane ticket, yeah.
Hindi si daddy?
No.
Kala ko si daddy.
It was mommy. Okay, so we decided to book the trip on... When did we book the trip?
Oh my gosh, hindi ko alam.
January 23?
January yun?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Super early because super cheap yung flight.
Yeah. Cheap talaga.
It was cheap. I remember like I was following... I was following everyone... I was following up their schedules. I was like, Ina, kailan kayo free? Ikay, kailan ako pwede mag-book? Kuya Sean's like graduated already. This Simon, kailan kayo pwede? And then I was asking them for their schedule so that I can book. And then we decided that we decided to like book the tickets around June because everyone's free that time. And then unfortunately, Ikay has summer classes. Ikay has summer classes, diba?
Yeah, absent siya for 2 days.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, wait lang.
Yeah. So like, a lot of people knows about this whole trip. I don't know why, but a lot of people. So we got like sponsors. And it's just so funny because we got sponsored by a flipping relative in the flipping US. That's just so funny. Okay, continue.
Ano?
Like the Boracay, how did we plan the Boracay? Oh my gosh, you know what's so funny? Because, oh my gosh, we should do the hey, we're Ina and Charisse and we booked the flight. Tapos everybody, hey, we're
the guys.
Yeah, we're the guys. Pause. And then, hey, we're Ina and Charisse and we booked the hotel.
And we planned the activities.
We did the itinerary.
Kami nag-book ng hotel.
Bro, you know me and Ina
nag-book ng plane. Kami gumawa ng activities.
Itinerary.
Yeah, ng itinerary and all. Sila, hindi na lang chinek yung itinerary.
Yeah. Well, Ella helped a bit, but that's it.
Kasi busy kasi si Ella.
Yeah, and sila
Ano naman si Ella, study purse. Ako kasi vacation purse.
my days. But during that time, I was almost done with school.
Ay, oo.
With school, yeah.
Like, ilang weeks na lang yun.
Yeah. Oh my days, you know, I remember we were stressing about like looking for hotels.
Oo,
Like
ilang
every day.
Umabot kami ng 1 a.m., 2 a.m. nun, kakahanap sa
Just to call, like we would call just to like finalize the Boracay trip.
Uy, kailan tayo mag-book nung sa Parao sailing?
Oh yeah, shit. We can
Bukas,
book tomorrow,
bukas.
yeah.
Okay. Ayan na nga, di ba?
So we didn't book any activities yet. Because I'm pretty sure it would be better if we
Kung doon na lang.
Yeah.
Kasi para isang bayad na lang, no? Hindi na.
Bro, I'm legit so gassy. Like I feel like my body's
Umutot.
I keep farting. Don't you smell it? Oh my days, you know, yesterday I threaded my eyebrows.
Halata.
Really?
Mga red.
Oh, yeah.
Halata talaga. Ano ginawa mo?
Thread.
Thread lang. Hindi, chani.
Hindi nga pantay, diba? No,
Hindi
kasi
halata.
that's legit my eyebrows. Like, ito, pa-curve. Ito, like, pataas.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's my eyebrows. It's not pantay.
Guys, nakasama gihapon.
I know, right?
Kala ko kasi din ako makakasama.
Bro, that wouldn't happen. Like, girl,
Kasi diba, yung sa calendar, 23 exams, tapos na. Then, last week ng May, parang file na lang leave ng mga professor. So, kala ko tapos na. Yung isang prof ko, kasi 3 lang yung subject ko kasi nag-transferring ako. So, yung isang subject na yung minor, parang meron kaming gagawin na for last, parang defense na sa business kasi business yun. So, yun, okay, kasi hanggang 30 lang. E pagka 31, may flower, kasali ako kahapon. So, stress talaga, tapos kinabukasan, biyahe agad. Tapos yun, yung isang subject naman sa major, yung major, oh my gulay. Sabi doon, mag-chat siya sa Monday daw kung sino yung mag-removal. E natatakot ako baka masali ako sa removal. And good thing, nag-chat siya yesterday na lahat naman daw kami pasado. So,
yay!
congrats to me, guys.
So she's now here with us, flying.
Pero kahit kun may removal, maupod na kaya. Walang makakapigil sa akin. Ako lang to sa kalam. Hashtag ina lang sa kalam.
Girl,
Jijibun. Truly na.
God.
Maglalanding na. Maglalanding na mga 30 minutes left. What time na?
What time flight?
8:55.
8:55. Ano na?
8:08.
Oh, sus. Guys, 45 minutes left and see you, Cebu!
And then we're leaving to the next day also.
The next day.
Yeah. We're also leaving. So we're just in Cebu for like 2 days.
Kasi actually, June 2 kami aalis. Pero si mama kasi gusto niya June 1, di ba? Kasi just in case na makancel, pero Korea lang, makancel ng June 2, at least.
We still have like...
Hindi ako makaka-window seat. Kaya, swap na lang.
Diri ko, do.
Magtakin kami siya.
Gusto ko Windows.
Siya, kuya siya. May dala lang ang gap para sa iyo mag-istorya. Kaya diba, duwa.
Exchange nga ni. Kit tas hala na. 8 di ako. Hala na.
Kasi diba nagpa-Manila kami last week. Tapos diba, Saturday exam ni Gab. Then Sunday ng gabi is receive ng award ni Gab. Saturday ng gabi, di ba nagpamowa kami. Tapos di ba yung sa MOA is pabilog, pababa sa parking. Pag pababa, parang yung brake kasi, naririnig na pag nagbe-brake kami, may tunog. Yung parang basta matunog tapos gumaganon yung manibela pag nagbe-brake. Tapos, yun na sinasabi ni Inang na ipacheck, ganyan. Pero sabi ni Amang, pinacheck naman yan daw doon. So, bakit pa ipapacheck? Pagka morning, nag-message, parang nagpa-help si Amang kay Tito kasi may kilala naman si Tito na mekaniko. Tapos pag-check pa lang daw yung parang ginanon yung gulong. like, inoy-og. Sabi lang dun nung driver. Sabi lang, driver? Ano ba yan?
Nung nag-check.
Ayaw ko na mag-story. Nakakapikon. Sabi dun ng mekaniko, like, ay kuya, hindi ko na kayo papayagan bumiyahe na ganito yung status ng car nyo. Kasi anytime daw, pwede mag-separate yung gulong. So, bali, magta-dive talaga kami.
We've been talking for 21 minutes.
Hindi lang 21 minutes, 1 hour na.
Because it's so boring
Alam
here if
mo,
you don't.
yung video natin, puro lang yan. Kasi
Puro
mga-
sip-yapin.
Yeah. Sorry guys, kasi
This is
nag-2-0 yung madaldal. Yung dalawa kasi hindi madaldal.
This is what happens when like we're like waiting and we just gotta talk.
Kahit anong daldal, malong
Yeah, it's
daldal.
so
Uy, sana man sa Boracay, hindi tayo hindi kit puro cellphone.
Yeah, please. I don't think so.
Ayan o, yung dalawa dyan ng cellphone. Oh.
Simon kasi. Sagad na lang. Simon. Simon.
Is?
Look.
Oh my gosh, elementary
I
days.
know. It's so
Idugtong mo yun.
I love zip-ups, y'all. Like, zip-ups are like my favorite jackets. Hello?
Bakit kayo nakakatawa no? Wala namang nakakatawa.
I know, it's just so funny. It's just like weird.
Sorry guys, healing our inner child.
Oh my days, you know, before I used to want to date like a pilot.
Oo, maganda ako man din kasi si tatay kasi. So parang na, wow.
Pero ayaw ko.
Guwapo ng
I'm like
unit.
super clingy. So like the fact na like lagi
Yeah.
kang wala is just so sad for me. Like I feel like I'm gonna have a
Hindi ko yun kaya. Magkakaroon akong separation anxiety. It's my anxiety. Brr. Zug.
Oh my days. Oh my days, I wanna do I can do it. I can legit do it. Habang nagla-line up, I can do it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Dapat doon kanina habang
Sa
nakapila.
X-ray. Sa X-ray.
Hindi doon sa counter habang
Sa X-ray na
nakapila.
lang. Parang yung guard man. Kasi, bro, I was
Hindi
waiting.
sa Cebu na lang sa Cebu. Sa
Oh my gosh.
airport.
Waiting for your luggage.
Caption mo, waiting for your luggage.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. It's got anymore.
Ayokong gawin.
I'm doing it. I think they're now. They're announcing now.
Pero guys, hindi namin i-jinx ang ganda talaga ng weather ngayon.
Pero yeah, nakakanood talaga, but it's so good. It's
Yeah.
really so good. It's like, it's not cloudy. It's like sunny a bit.
Sakto lang, like
Yeah,
sakto.
yeah. It's like
Guys, feel ko may calling.
calling.
Uro. Hala, nagilab yung tiyan ko.
Do you wanna poop? Do you
No.
have tissue?
No.
Oh, damn. Saan tayo napadpad? Like,
Padpad
which
sa-
hotel did we choose?
Ang feels.
Yeah, we didn't say that.
Hindi. Basta dalawa yung choices. Yung
It was
Henan.
no Mandarin.
Oh, Mandarin. Tapos yung
Feliz.
Phillies. Tapos ito, napagtripan, yung Phillies. Pero nung first place talaga, gusto niya yung Mandarin Nest.
Yeah, because
Pero
it was,
hindi niya pinili. Oh, choice lang pala siya.
It was my first choice before.
Option
Why
lang
did I
pala.
choose? Why did I choose Feliz?
Ewan ko. Hindi kasi parang pagbaba mo yun.
D-Mall?
Oo.
Yeah. But sa Mandarin Nest, pagbaba natin, it's beachfront.
Nakalimutan ko na eh.
I think it's bidet. Bro, it's been so long since I flew with Cebu Pacific.
Ako first time.
Talaga?
Philippine Airlines ako. Sa ano.
Me too.
Palagi Qatarman eh. Qatarman kasi Philippine Airlines.
Oh my gosh! The boarding pass is
Andito. Nilagay ko sa bag just in case.
Oh my gosh, also. You know my back has been hurting like a lot.
Kay daddy.
No, wait. It's not because of my school. It's like here. Kasi it happened when like I slept with si Coco. Kasi Coco, my dog, parang he slept sa middle ng bed. I sleep sa middle ng bed. So like I had to adjust.
Feeling Mayora. Mayora yan.
Mayora is for
Ayaw pala.
girls.
Sorry no. Sorry ha. Uy, sana makita namin si Shotty. You're always on my mind.
My ultimate crush ever, you know. Bro, I saw him in one of like school fairs.
Oh, bakit?
Did you see? He like my
Ay, oo pala.
girl. Oh my day.
Oo pala, sorry.
Hey Simon.
Hey, Simon.
So bored.
Simon.
You know, okay, so this is like my first ever flying solo, like solo flight was in Cebu.
Ay, oo, yung pauwi ka.
Huh?
Yung pauwi ka?
No,
Dito?
it was going to Cebu as in like legit like landing
Hindi ka ba isa lang nung umuwi ka dito?
Umuwi ako, yeah,
Via,
mag-isa.
via Cebu? Diba? Manila to Cebu, Cebu to
Yeah,
Katarman?
yeah, that was latest.
Oh wait, ano ka na ng Cebu to Katarman? Naka-try?
Not yet.
Or dito lang? Dito ka nun? Ah.
No, okay, wait. It was Manila, Cebu, Cebu to Katarman.
Yun nga, Cebu to Katarman. Kasi diba, bago yung Cebu to Katarman.
Oh.
Diba?
Oh yeah, okay, I did try. That's the latest. Okay, this is so funny. So my first ever flight was going to Cebu. And then,
Saan ka kumakain dito?
no, sa Manila.
Ah, Manila to Cebu.
Yeah. Padating pa lang. And then,
Excited ka naman masyado.
Una?
Ha? Ayaw pag-lovely.
Mapashave.
Okay, go.
okay, so my first,
Ano yun?
so my first flight was going to Cebu. And then I arrived, nagpapasundo ako kalaikay, right? Kasi that was my first.
Oh, yung late. Yung
Oh
late
my
sila.
gosh, I called Ikay multiple times, no answer. I was
Feeling ko
getting,
nakamute siya.
no, nakatunog silang dalawa.
Kaya nga, tapos
Yeah, it
nakamute.
was so funny. It was really, really funny. I was like waiting there. I was like on G, like trying. Oh my gosh, I remember calling with Tina and we were like planning Boracay, right? Yung una ng thought niya was like, natatakot ako sa tanimbala.
Sa?
Tanimbala.
Ay, oo. Hindi kasi nag-uso kasi. Nag-stop kit, tapos inulit natin. Tapos 42, ang
I
bilis.
don't know. We've been talking
Dahan naman yung oras dyan. Uy. 1 week lang ba ya?
more than a week. 1 week and 2 days.
1 week and 1 day.
One day? What?
Kasi Sunday kit umalis. Ah, tama ba?
Actually, it's just 1 week.
Basta 1 week, okay na yun. Grabe, mga kaapat tayo na plane in 1 week.
Apat?
Oo. Ayun na nga, naglanding na. Kasi hindi ko narinig yung ano.
Ding! Oh, it's a small plane!
Yeah.
Ang liit!
Oh.
Okay, nonchalant ka pala.
Okay lang. Okay.
Check in. Okay. Oh,
Doon,
sir. Baka magawa ng flat. Doon na lang. Punta ka sa counter. We're like having problems. But the plane's here. Wait.
Guys,
Wait.
the plane.
Hold.
And then, graduate.
Oh.